Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 extraordinary tools that are guaranteed to elevate your DIY and professional projects to the next level. So let's get started. Number 1. Let's talk about the SKIL flip drill. This innovative tool is a game changer for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The 20-volt flip drill set includes everything you need to get started: the brushless drill itself, a 20-volt 2.0 USB-C battery, a fast 20-watt USB-C charger, a charging cable, a handy belt clip, and a couple of bits to tackle various tasks. One of the standout features is the double collet flip head, which lets you switch between drilling and driving bits with just a simple twist. It's incredibly convenient and saves you time. The slim, compact design means you can easily access corners, edges, and other tight spaces that are often a challenge with larger drills. Control is another highlight, with electronically controlled torque settings and a drill mode, allowing you to adapt the tool to suit your specific application. Plus, it has magnetic onboard storage for quick access to bits and screws. And if you're working in low light, the integrated LED work light offers pre-light and afterglow, ensuring you won't miss a spot. What's more, it's powered by SKIL's adaptable 12-volt or 20-volt batteries for ultimate convenience, making it a fantastic addition to any toolkit. Number 2. Let me tell you about the post puller, an ultimate solution for fence posts, landscaping, and event setups. This tool is incredibly versatile and serves as an all-in-one solution, making it perfect for fencing contractors, landscapers, equipment rental companies, and event planners. It really saves you time, money, and the sheer effort that usually goes into these tasks. One of the most impressive features is how effortlessly it removes fence posts. No more backbreaking work or coming home exhausted after a long day. The post puller simplifies the entire process, allowing you to pull out both wooden and metal fence posts with ease, even those stubborn ones that have concrete plugs attached. Just think about how much smoother your projects will go when you can tackle this task quickly and effectively. The design is intuitive, meaning you don't need to be a professional to handle it. Whether you're setting up for an event or doing some landscaping work, this tool will be your best friend. It's a must-have in any toolkit, making post removal and setup much less of a hassle. You really can transform your work process with the post puller. Number 3. Let me share with you the advantages of the TecUnite 2-pack trampoline spring pull tool. If you've ever struggled with getting those trampoline springs in place, this is the solution you've been waiting for. The tool features a comfortable plastic handle with finger grooves, making it easy to grip and reducing the effort you need to put in. You'll find that your installation process takes far less time and saves you a bit of that muscle strain we all dread. This spring pull tool is built to last, made from a combination of sturdy plastic and metal, ensuring it holds up over time and through multiple uses. What's great about it being a universal fit with a standard T-hook design is that it will work for most strength springs. That gives you the versatility you need for various trampolines, allowing for a solid grip that won't slip. Whether you're assembling a new trampoline or retensioning an old one, this tool is a must-have in your toolkit. It makes the job not just easier but also safer, ensuring you won't risk any accidents while putting things together. With the TecUnite spring pull tool, you'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. Number 4. Let's talk about the Estwing DFH 12 rubber mallet, a must-have tool for anyone serious about their craft. This mallet features a triple wedge construction that ensures the hammer head stays securely fastened to the sturdy hickory handle. It's made with professionals in mind. Whether you're a framer, roofer, carpenter, contractor, tradesman, or just a dedicated DIYer, this mallet will deliver performance. What I really love about this mallet is its versatility. It's perfect for various jobs, such as sheet metal forming, upholstery work, automotive tasks, furniture assembly, tile setting, and even flooring installations. Plus, if you're heading out for a camping trip, it can double as a great camping hammer, making it a handy companion in the great outdoors. The genuine hickory handle gives it a lightweight feel, making it easy to handle while providing excellent grip and control. You won't tire out your hand during extended use. If you're looking for a mallet that combines durability with comfort and versatility, the Estwing DFH 12 rubber mallet is a solid choice that won't let you down. It truly is designed to meet the needs of professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Let me tell you about the Aries 16.5-inch hand tool holder. If you're looking for a way to organize your workspace, this magnetic hand tool organizer is a game changer. It can hold up to 16 hand tools and easily attaches to any ferrous metal surface, whether you choose to mount it vertically or horizontally. The high-tension clips are impressively strong but still flexible enough to securely hold screwdrivers, wrenches, and various other tools in place. What really sets this organizer apart is its quality. It's made from premium machined aluminum, which means it's durable and built to last. The powerful magnetic backing ensures that it sticks firmly wherever you put it, and the EVA foam covering on the base protects your finished surfaces from damage, as well as the rail itself. It's incredibly versatile, too. This organizer can accommodate a wide range of small tools, including wrenches, ratchets, pliers, extensions, and drill bits. Whether you're using it simply for storage, want a convenient grab-and-go solution, or need quick access while you're working, the Aries hand tool holder offers reliable organization that keeps your favorite tools right at your fingertips. Number 6. I'd like to share some information about the WorkPad 12 Needles Compact Needle Scaler, a fantastic pneumatic tool that's perfect for those tight spaces. Measuring just 11.6 inches, this scaler is designed to help you reach surfaces where larger tools can't, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Even though it's small, don't underestimate its power. With a striking rate of 5,000 blows per minute at free speed, this tool excels in surface preparation tasks like cleaning or removing paint, rust, dirt, or weld slag. It's a real workhorse that will save you a lot of time and effort when tackling tough jobs. One of the great features of the WorkPad needle scaler is how lightweight it is, weighing in at only 2.9 pounds. This makes it easier to handle, allowing you to use it with precision and accuracy without getting fatigued. Whether you're a professional in need of an efficient tool for industrial applications or a DIY enthusiast tackling home improvement projects, this needle scaler can significantly enhance your productivity. It's compact, powerful, and user-friendly, truly a must-have for anyone looking to get the job done right. Number 7. Let me tell you about the TightReach 3/8-inch professional extension wrench and low-profile socket kit, which is perfect for tackling those hard-to-reach areas. This combo pack includes 2 of their flagship products, the 3/8-inch Pro extension wrench and a set of low-profile sockets. With a reach of 10 inches, the extension wrench lets you get further away from what you're working on, helping to save your knuckles and your time in the process. The low-profile sockets included in this kit are designed to be up to 50% shorter than standard sockets, so they fit in tighter spaces without sacrificing functionality. Each socket has a magnet inside, which helps hold the nut or bolt in place much better than a regular socket, making your work even easier and more efficient. Just keep in mind that adapters are not included in this set, but they do come with the wrench. This kit includes various socket sizes, both standard and metric, ranging from 3/8 inch to 3/4 inch and 10 millimeters to 18 millimeters. With this set at your disposal, you can tackle almost any job with confidence, knowing you have the right tools to reach those tricky spots and get the job done right. Number 8. Let me tell you about the Ozark Countersink Drill Bit Set, which is a fantastic addition to any woodworker's toolkit. This upgraded 15-piece set includes everything you need for a complete woodworking project. You get a range of 7 tapered drill bits in various sizes, from number 4 to number 12, 2 wood plug cutters in 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch, an Allen key, depth stop rings for precision, and even 2 Phillips screwdriver bits. There's also an extension bit shaft included, making it incredibly versatile. These bits are made from industrial-grade high-speed steel with a nitride finish, giving them enhanced toughness and wear resistance, so they'll last you a long time, twice as long as regular carbon steel bits. The adjustable depth stop collars allow for precise control over the pilot hole depth, ensuring a professional finish every time. The sharp cutters with an 82-degree counterbore angle make drilling through both hard and soft woods smooth and quick. The tapered pilot bits create clean pilot holes for a snug screw fit, maximizing your efficiency. Whether you're working on cabinetry, furniture making, or other woodworking projects, this set is compatible with hand drills, bench drills, and electric drills, making it a must-have for all your woodworking needs. Number 9. Let me tell you about the 24 feet pressure washer telescopic extension pole kit, which is a must-have for anyone looking to make gutter cleaning easier and more efficient. This professional telescopic sprayer wand extends up to 24 feet, so you can say goodbye to precarious ladders. With multiple extension poles and a brush head, you can easily clean soffits, fascia, siding, and gutters, all from the safety of the ground. It's perfect for both home use and professional jobs. One of the best features is its adjustable length. The poles have 4 sections with secure lever locks, allowing you to customize the length anywhere from 5 to 24 feet. This versatility means you can tackle those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, the wand is easy to handle, minimizing fatigue during long cleaning sessions, and it even has a padded grip for added comfort. The kit includes a brush head for scrubbing away stubborn dirt, 5 spray nozzle tips for different cleaning tasks, and 2 hose adapters for wide compatibility with pressure washers. It attaches securely without rotation, and it works with most power washers rated up to 4,000 psi. With a support belt included, this kit truly offers a complete solution for gutter cleaning and pressure washing. Number 10. Let me introduce you to the Fantic S1 Apex 3.7 volt electric screwdriver, a fantastic tool designed for precision and convenience. One of its standout features is the precision adjustment torque with 8 settings. You can easily adjust the torque through the torque ring and monitor real-time levels on the display screen. This is incredibly helpful for tasks like computer repair, furniture installation, or appliance disassembly, ensuring you get the job done accurately every time. The S1 Apex also has a unique folding feature, allowing you to choose between 4 different angles: 0 degrees, 24 degrees, 48 degrees, and 72 degrees. This adaptability helps you work comfortably in various conditions, reducing hand fatigue during long jobs. Plus, with 2 speed modes to select from, you can switch between low speed at 100 RPM and high speed at 250 RPM. This is great for controlling torque and preventing damage to screws and materials. With a robust 2,500 mAh battery, you won't have to worry about running out of power unexpectedly, and the USB-C charging port makes it easy to recharge with most chargers you already own. The bright LED ring light is a nice touch, illuminating your work area even in low-light conditions. Overall, the Fantic S1 Apex is a powerhouse that combines efficiency and versatility, making any task easier.